Hi guys, today you will need your independent skills practice and your math notebook. Alright guys, so these are the same steps that we have in our notebooks from yesterday that we glued. Now the only thing is this one is written. So I'm going to go over the steps one more time. You are also going to have this one to refer back to into your notebook. So let's go over. The first step is to perform the operations in parentheses or brackets first. So that's what we're doing. Parentheses and brackets first. Then we're moving on to the second step, which is perform the multiplication or division from left to right. When we're done with that, we move on to step 3, which is add or subtract, depending on whichever comes from left to right. Okay, so again, you're using these into your notebook and referring back to as we solve for today's independent activities. We're gonna try this one together. Okay, so it says during a baseball season, the baseball coaches purchase 5 boxes of 12 baseballs for their team. Okay, so 5 boxes of 12 baseballs for their team. A player from the professional baseball team donated 8 boxes of 12 baseballs. How many baseballs did the team receive? Okay, now I need you guys to be very careful because for this one, they don't tell you in each. Okay, they're telling you that there's 5 boxes of 12 baseballs in their team. Okay, so they do have 12 in the boxes, but they don't say in each, so you have to be careful. Okay, same thing here. You have baseball player that they donated 8 boxes of 12 baseballs in the boxes. Okay, so now they're asking me how many baseballs did each team receive. Now, I want you to think, I know you have these in the back, okay? First of all, do I have a total of baseballs? I do not. I do not have a total, okay? If I do not have a total, am I making equal groups? I am, so I'm going to have to be multiplying, but there's 2 sets, okay? 2 sets here, 1 and 2. First thing that I need to do, I need to figure out how many the baseball coaches have purchased. So I have 5 boxes of 12 in each box. Once I figure this one out, then I need to look at how many did the professional baseball team donate, which was 8 boxes of 12 baseballs in each. And how do I know the total? Well, after I find these, if I want to find the total, how many baseballs in all, I'm going to have to add. Okay? Because if I don't have a total, and I'm not making any equal groups, now I have to add. Okay? So, same thing. We're starting with parentheses. Do I have any parentheses? Okay, I have 2 sets. I want to start from the left. They go on to the right. So the left, I have 5 times 12. Okay, if I don't know, I better be doing the math on the side. 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, and 1 more is 6. Okay, 5 times 12 is 60. I bring everything else down. I'm done with my parentheses here. I don't have to write them again, but I do need to write everything else that is down. Okay, so now I have 60 plus 8 times 12. Again, I'm not done with the parentheses. I still have parentheses, so I need to do this one now. What's 8 times 12? If I don't know, I'm going to do it on the side. 2 times 8. Okay, if I don't know, I'm going to do it on the side. I have 12 times 8. Okay, I need to separate it. 2 times 8 is 16, and 8 times 1 is 8, and 1 more, it's 9. Okay, now I have this one, that's 90. I solved it, and then I bring everything else down. So now I have 60 plus 90. Now, am I done with parentheses? Yes, I am. Do I have any multiplication or division here? No, so these I already took care of them in my parentheses, but I do have addition or subtraction. Right here I have addition, so 60 plus 90. I'm going to do it on the side because we don't know mentally, so I better see your work on the side. 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 6 is 15. So in total, you should have 150. Okay, 150 baseballs. Okay, so my expression was this one, and I'm simplifying here. Okay, again, you can refer back to if you need to the video. You're going to be practicing this, okay, in yours. This is what Miss Martinez is going to give you guys tomorrow.
Now you guys are completing this handout on your own. Remember to include the expression, simplify it, and describe what you did. And lastly, you will work on numerical expressions on your thin book. 1 through 8, make sure that you're showing all of your work. If you need an additional paper, go ahead and get an additional paper. Good luck. That's all for today. We will see you again tomorrow.